In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an email footer in Klaviyo. To start, open your Klaviyo dashboard and look at the left sidebar. You will see options for managing your email content and templates. The footer is usually placed at the very bottom of an email, so it is important to get into the template area first, rather than trying to add the footer somewhere in the middle of your design. Next, click Content, then click Templates in the left sidebar. This takes you to the place where you can create new templates or edit existing ones. Depending on what you have already built, you may be working from a fresh template or updating one that already exists. Either way, this is the correct area to control the overall layout. Now that you are in the template section, you will choose whether to create something new or work with what you already have. Click Create Template or select an existing template from the list. If you choose an existing one, make sure it is the type of template you plan to use for your email. This matters because the footer needs to match the style and structure of the email you are sending. After selecting or creating your template, take a moment to look at the layout workspace. You should see the main design area where blocks can be added. At this point, the goal is to place the footer content at the very bottom so it appears consistently for every email using this template. Next, drag a table or text block to the very bottom of your layout. Klaviyo may offer different block types, and both a table and a text block can work for a simple footer. As you drag the block, pay attention to where it lands. You want it positioned at the bottom edge of your design area, so the footer aligns properly across devices and does not end up awkwardly placed above other content. Once the block is in place, you are ready to add the required unsubscribe element. Paste the required tag %unsubscribe% and your company's link address into the block. The unsubscribe tag is the part that allows recipients to opt out in a way that is required for email compliance. Make sure you paste the tag exactly as shown, including the curly braces and the characters inside. Then include the company link address, so the footer includes the proper reference for your organization. Take a moment here to review what you have entered before moving on. You want to ensure the tag appears in the correct spot within the block, and that the link address is complete and formatted correctly according to what Klaviyo expects. This helps prevent issues where the unsubscribe link might not render the way it should. When you are satisfied with the footer content, click Save on the block. Saving the block confirms your unsubscribe tag and your link address are stored as part of that footer section. After that, you will click Save Template. This final save is what makes the changes apply to the template itself. Finally, once the template is saved, you can continue building or using it with confidence. Your email footer will be ready to appear at the bottom of your emails with the unsubscribe option included and your company link present. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.